Hey there, I'm your German teacher. Today, let's explore one of the building blocks of German, nouns. German nouns can be confusing, but what if I told you there's a trick to remember them easily? Stay with me till the end. Meet our little Indo-German family, Pete, Sia and their son Leo. Pete is German and Sia is Indian. Learning a new language can feel overwhelming, like a mountain. But every climb starts with one step, and your first step is German nouns. Have you ever tried telling a story without names? Imagine this. Dash is eating dash in the dash with her dash and a heart full of dash. Sounds strange, doesn't it? That's because the most important words are missing. Nouns. Now let's fill in those blanks. Sia, a person, is eating an apple, a thing, in the park, a place with her dog, an animal, and a heart full of happiness, emotion. Suddenly, the story makes sense. That's the power of nouns. They give life and meaning to every sentence. Today, we'll explore what nouns are. So, how do we understand nouns in our everyday world? Because once you know nouns, you unlock the entire grammar universe. It is simple. Look around you. Everything has a name. Think about the people close to you. Maybe your teacher, your mom, or even your best friend. All of them are nouns. Now, imagine the places you love. Your school, the park, or maybe the beach on a sunny day. These are nouns too. And finally, don't forget things and ideas. It could be a book you're reading, your favorite foods, or even an idea like happiness. Oh, here's a simple trick. If you can see it, touch it, hear it, or even think about it, it's probably a noun. We all know people have gender, male or female. But what about objects? Can a table, a window, or a door have gender? Let's see how different languages answer this. So let's answer our question. Do objects have gender? In English, no. Everything is just it. In Hindi, yes, the objects are either masculine or feminine. And in German, we have three: masculine, feminine, and neuter. English keeps it simple, just it. Hindi goes, let's have two. Why not? German walks in like challenge accepted. Three it is. In English, it's super simple. There's no gender at all. Everything is just called the table, the door, the window. It never changes no matter what object it is. In Hindi, even objects have gender. For example, table is feminine, door is masculine, window is feminine. In German, every noun has a tag. Der for masculine, die for feminine, and das for neuter. These are called articles. Think of them as name tags for every object. So, the table is der Tisch, the door is die Tür, and the window is das Fenster. Let's meet Pete. Pete loves adventure, he's brave, playful, and a little goofy. And he'll help you remember all the der words. Sia is calm, creative, and full of warmth. She takes care of the die words. And Leo? He's curious, funny, and always up to something. He'll bring you the das words. Now we have our trio, Pete, Sia, and Leo. They'll help us understand German genders, der, die, das.
Willkommen, ich bin Sia. Mit mir lernst du die Wörter. Das ist die Tür.
Hallo, ich bin Pete. Ich helfe dir mit den der-Wörtern. Das ist der Tisch.
Hey! Ich bin Leo. Mit mir merkst du dir die Das-Wörter. Das ist das Fenster.
Our brain loves stories, not lists. Let's add pictures, colors, and feelings so the words stay forever.
Die Tür. Der Tisch. Das Fenster.
Let me tell you the story. Sia was really angry. She slammed the pink door. Pete got scared. He hid behind the blue table. And Leo? He was peeking through the green window and laughing at the whole scene. Now, if I ask you what's the table, door, and the window in German, you won't just think of words. You'll remember Sia slamming the door, Pete hiding, and Leo laughing. And the instant recall: der Tisch, die Tür, das Fenster. Want to learn more genders the fun way? Check out our shorts, quick videos with everyday words. Learn step by step, story by story, the easy way. Ready to go faster? Join our budget-friendly German classes and start speaking with confidence. Subscribe for more lessons coming soon.